it's Ethan here, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing and review videos. I'll be posting some of my unboxing and review videos a few times a month, like 1 to 3 times a month. So let's get started. Today, to celebrate my first unboxing and review video on YouTube, I'm going to be unboxing the Google Home Hub by Google. So basically, the Google Home Hub is equipped with a Google Assistant, and it has a screen so it can help you with a variety of tasks, such as controlling your smart home, watching YouTube if you're cooking, and lots more. So let's read. So it says Google Home Hub, hands-free help at home. So basically, it can show you the weather and your morning commute to work. So let's turn this around. So the Google Home Hub has far-field microphones, it has a light sensor, and it has a 7-inch touchscreen display. And it also has a full-range speaker in the back. It is also compatible with voice match, it has multi-room audio, it has Bluetooth 5, it works with Android and iOS, and it has 2.4 and 5 Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's see the back before we unbox this thing. So it says help at a glance. So basically, you can command your day with voice match, so you can see your personalized events and commute. And you can simplify your smart home. Say if you have a Nest Video doorbell, you can easily look, use knocking, like the Google Home Hub. And there's answers for any moment. It's saying that you can get really good immersive answers from Google. You can watch helpful videos from YouTube. And you can also play your favorite songs. You can relive your memories with Google Photos, which you can see on the screen. And you can make hands-free calls. So some things that you could do when you say "Hey Google" is you could access your Google Calendar, Google Maps, and Nest products and other smart home products, YouTube Music, and Spotify, Google Photos, and of course it is built in with the Google Assistant. So let's unbox this. So 1 minute. So we're going to be opening up the contents of the box in just a moment. So as you can see, the Google Home Hub. 1 minute, guys. I'm going to be opening this up very carefully because I won't want to damage anything. 1 minute, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm just being really careful. So at the end of this review, we're going to be doing a testing as well. So, okay guys, I've unboxed this, so here we have it. The Google Home Hub. So this is its 7-inch touchscreen display, as you can see here. It has speakers and a microphone in the back. Hopefully you guys can see. The G symbol, so you can see its huge speaker. And its orange bottom, which acts as a stand. So basically, we're going to be doing a testing video soon in the same video. So yeah, so this is the Google Home Hub. It's pretty small, guys. And I'd say it could easily fit on your kitchen countertop. So that's very helpful, and you could probably take it places with you if you go on business trips or vacation. So let's quickly check some more contents of this box. One minute, guys. I'm just carefully opening up this stuff. Here we go. So here it comes with the Google Home Hub's power cable. So here it is. We're going to be using that in the testing video. We have this is just a case. It says, let's get started. This is the instruction manual. It just says that we are going to plug it in, get the app. And yeah, it just says the instructions, and it has a safety and warranty booklet. So basically, guys, that was the unboxing of the Google Home Hub. Hope you enjoyed. Now I'm going to be plugging this guy in so we can see how this guy works. So I'm gonna wait 1 minute so I can quickly get all these straps off, and hopefully we'll be ready to go. A minute, guys. Almost done. Sorry about that, guys. I'll quickly use some scissors. There we go. So let's plug in the Google Home. So first, we're gonna find the port. So hopefully I can find this port pretty quickly. One minute, guys. Oh yeah, I found the port. So it's on the back side of the Google Home Hub. Now we're gonna be plugging the Google Home Hub in. We'll see what happens. Okay guys, as you can see, the Google Home Hub is starting up. So this is mainly just a test to see if this Google Home Hub is working and how it looks like. So there, as we can see, the screen turning on. And there's the Google symbol. As you can see, it's kind of loading up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay guys, as you can see, I've unboxed the Google Home Hub. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my first unboxing and review video. Overall, I'd rate the Google Home Hub as a first impression. Maybe 4 out of 5, but I still need to get into it. We're not going to download the app right now. So hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to turn on that notification bell and hit it so you get the latest uploads from my channel and you don't miss any uploads. Stay tuned for more unboxing, review videos, as well as piano and Minecraft videos and more gaming videos. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.